Get into the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls. When it comes down to it, is there anything more important than safety in a family vehicle? Drive the Pacifica.